Yo, another video. Hey, my name is Rice. This is the channel where we talk about Bitcoin and other things surrounding the cryptocurrency space. So, I guess the biggest news going on right now in the community and just with Bitcoin and crypto in general is that there's a lot of people anticipating a quote-unquote bloody Sunday. Meaning there's a lot of people, for some reason, they're based off of the TA, which is technical analysis, past patterns with Bitcoin from 2013, 2017, and other time periods. They believe that this is going to be a huge drop or in price or a huge sell-off well, today, Sunday, and they're calling it Bloody Sunday. At first, I was just looking at it like, okay, this is some more FUD. There's so much FUD going on right now. Like, this might be the most FUD I've ever seen related to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Like, it's just running rampant from, the China quote-unquote bans, which is not really a ban, to the regulators saying they want to put more stricter regulations on Bitcoin and crypto. Even Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, who's all of a sudden pro-Bitcoin, he's even saying that institutional investors are not buying Bitcoin. Like, come on, man. There's a different headline every 5 minutes about institutions buying Bitcoin. But anyway, let me get back on topic. So this Bloody Sunday, right? It could happen. I don't think it's going to be as dramatic or it's going to be as quote-unquote violent as people are making it sound. It's getting to the point, though, where I feel like some of the even people who have been invested into Bitcoin for a while are getting caught into like the clickbait and the hype of the FUD that's going on. I'm not going to say the YouTuber's name, but he's a guy I've been following for quite some while now. He might be the biggest YouTuber in crypto, period. He said he sold like $2 million worth of altcoins, anticipating this Bloody Sunday. You know what kind of message or signal that sends to people or to your followers when you have the biggest, he's probably the biggest channel in crypto. Like I said, I'm not going to say his name, but he said he sold $2 million worth of altcoins. And when I saw that, I was like, ooh. So then I'm looking around at the other crypto influencers and the YouTubers, and they're all saying, yeah, we're heading toward a bear market. Yeah, Bloody Sunday is coming. Okay, so here we are, Sunday. It's a little after 3, and the market's actually up. Like, most of the altcoins are up. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum is up. You guys, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. You can look at the past and you can kind of try to make an educated guess of where you think it's going to go. But our market is so volatile, nobody really knows. I mean, it's an emotional market too, man. I mean, okay, I'll give you an example. When you have when you have one of the richest people on the planet who has influence to the point where they could tweet something and the price could go up or down depending on what they say, there's no way you can guess what exactly is going to happen. You can say, okay, it's going to drop down to 25K, but at the same time it could rise up by 4 or 5K. Nobody knows at this point. So what do you do in that situation when there's FUD running rampant? You even have the top YouTubers and influencers in the crypto community saying, hey, there's a Bloody Sunday coming. It could drop down as low as 25K. What do you do in that situation? Do you sell like everybody else? Now, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational entertainment purposes only. But the strategy that's been working for me, whether the market was up, crashing, left, right, whatever, just stables, or it was just, you know what I mean, is to buy and hodl, or to buy and hold through the crash. So that's where your emotions and your discipline and your patience comes into play. They're going to do everything they can, like you've seen my previous video, but they're going to do everything they can to get those weak hands, those paper hands to sell so they can swoop in and buy it. I'm talking about the institutions, I'm talking about the whales. And in the last huge crash or sell-off, the data showed that most of the people that sold were new retail investors or new people new to the market who couldn't handle seeing their money going down, I guess, during that crash. But as you can see, we bounced right back up. We've already rebounded from that crash. But like I said, a lot of people are calling for a Bloody Sunday. You can Google it or type it on YouTube to get a little bit more information about it. But I've seen as low as 25K, but it hasn't happened yet. Not to say, knock on wood, it can't happen, but it's after 3 o'clock and the market is actually up. So maybe the retail investors got smart. Maybe they're like, fool me once, you can't fool me twice. Like with the last correction or sell-off, maybe the retail investors are starting to learn the market and just get used to the volatility of it all. I'm not real sure. Now, that's not to say that Bloody Sunday can't still happen. I mean, it's still Sunday. It may even trickle into Monday. Who knows? But as of right now, the market is up. I kind of waited to do this video because I wanted to see where we would be at kind of towards the middle of the day or a little after, with all the hype going around with this Bloody Sunday news. So, I mean, like I said, man, I'm just going to continue to buy the dips. These are buying opportunities, man. This is not a point where you want to look at it like, oh, God, I should sell and try to preserve my wealth. No, buy the dips, hodl it, hold it. Like, are you a trader or are you a long-term investor? If you're a trader, okay, you're in a different ball game. If you're a long-term investor, then you should just shake this right off, buy the dips, dollar cost average so that, you balance out the amount that you're buying, and just stay patient. Stay patient. Guys, man, I've seen this all before. It happened, like, I've seen the China bans. I've seen the Fed saying they're going to crack down and push harsher regulations on crypto. It's funny money. I've heard other billionaires and millionaires say they would never touch Bitcoin, and all of a sudden they're buying it by the billions, by the millions. So I feel like this is all just FUD, just one big ball of FUD. We need to just, keep buying the dip. Okay, the fundamentals have not changed. And what I mean by that is we haven't seen any huge sell-offs from these hedge funds or these corporations or these high net worth individuals. Elon Musk hasn't sold anything yet. Tesla hasn't sold any of their Bitcoin yet. I don't see any of these millionaires or billionaires saying, oh God, yeah, there's a huge crash coming, let me sell my Bitcoin. So just look at this quote unquote smart money, see what they're doing. The fundamentals for Bitcoin has not changed. The more they buy of the Bitcoin, the less there's going to be available for you to buy. And that's just going to raise the value up. So, yeah, man, I feel like it's just a huge cloud of FUD, going on. And if you've been in this game for a while, I mean, you're going to look at it and you're going to keep your eye on it, but you're not going to let it affect you to the point where you just sell off everything because you're worried about losing all your wealth. But, yeah, guys, like I said, just continue to buy the dips, hodl, hold on for dear life, and then take profits when it begins to rise. Buy low, hodl, sell high. You know how it goes. Like one of my favorite sayings from Warren Buffett, of all people. I'm laughing because Warren Buffett's not a fan of crypto. He called Bitcoin rat poison square. But he said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And that applies to all markets, not just stocks or crypto or Forex or any of that. It compares, you can use that in anything. Buy low, sell high, be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. Keep stacking those sats. Don't let the FUD, run you off of a wealth-changing opportunity or a life-changing opportunity because of some news headlines or because some YouTubers wanted to get some clickbait. I'm going to continue to buy the dips. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. I'm going to take my profits at the top when I can, but mostly I'm just going to hodl. Like, okay, guys, there's so many projects that are about to hit like new levels, and their different layers of their projects are coming in June. Like Cardano has been in the news like crazy. Ethereum 2.0 is about to come out. They've been in the news like crazy. Polkadot, Uniswap, who else? Matic. They've been in the news like crazy. Just all these different projects that actually have usefulness and utility. I'm not talking about meme coins. I'm not talking about Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. I'm talking about actual tokens that have utility and a usefulness that give them value. They have great project managers, which is usually guys that came from other successful projects. But yeah, do your research. Don't get caught up in the FUD hype. It's a lot of it going on. I mean, to the point where even like guys that's been in the game for a while are putting out videos scaring the hell out of people talking about Bloody Sunday. And I'm not saying that can't happen. I mean, there's still a lot of day left. It can happen. We can see another correction. That's a part of the market. But when those corrections happen, don't panic sell and then try to buy back in once the price starts to rise again. You're losing money. So like I said, don't let the FUD get to you. Continue to hodl. Continue to stack those sats. And you guys have a happy holiday weekend. I'm going to make another video probably tomorrow on the holiday going over what happened today, or if anything happens, who knows. But like I said, you guys be safe out there. Hit you up later.